Millicent, in 30 seconds. According to the latest research, women are the demographic most affected by gambling. What do you think is the cause of this, and what do you think needs to be done to address it? Thank you.
Thank you so much for the question. That is a very sensitive topic. Women have increasingly shown that they have been affected by gambling due to financial pressure and stress. I think the solution is to educate, create support systems and policies that help protect vulnerable communities, including women. It is also important that as women, we create opportunities for financial empowerment